This video will show how to buy shares of Marimekko Oyj, a Finnish design and textile company traded on CBOE EU under the ticker MEKKO.HE. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. You need a broker to trade, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker MEKKO.HE to find Marimekko Oyj. Make sure you select the CBOE EU listing to locate the correct share. Open the asset page to view a short company description and the price chart. Confirm the exchange and ticker to ensure this is the correct Marimekko Oyj listing. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After confirmation, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description for reference, and remember, this information is educational only.